My name is Sean Minster, and I am a project coordinator here at GNB. So I am certified by the American Society for Non-Destructive Testing in leak detection. Certified level 3, which means I can train others to practice leak testing. So I run GNB's leak detection certification and training program here. Our leak detection certification program at GNB is very comprehensive. We go over not only the ins and outs of leak detection, but also the nuances that come about with vacuum, because it's very much its own realm. There's a lot more to consider than what you might have to just leak testing bike tires, for instance. Helium mass spectrometer leak detection is the practice of spraying helium onto the welds or any potential leak pathways of a vacuum chamber. So what happens is you spray helium on a weld. The helium, if there's any pathway inside, the helium will find it. Goes into the vacuum chamber, which is connected to a leak detector, and it'll smell any helium. So if you get a rise in helium, you know you just passed your helium wand by a leak. So our leak detector, our leak detection process is incredibly sensitive. For all of our products, we perform leak detection with a helium mass spectrometer. For some higher grade products, we will do, if you're looking for a more high vacuum application, we can perform bakeouts on those chambers. And that's basically the practice of wrapping the chambers in heating elements while it's under vacuum, getting it up to some temperature, 100, 200, whatever degrees Celsius, whatever you would like. And what that does is it gets the surface of the chamber hot, and anything that might be sticking to the surface, it's a little water droplet, for instance, that'll evaporate from all that heat, and it'll become a gas and get sucked out by the vacuum pump, and you're left with a very pristine chamber that has no contaminants. We can do residual gas analysis on that chamber, which is, it reads the gas species by mass. So if you have mass 18, that's water. Mass 32, that's oxygen. You can see exactly the percentages of the composition of your atmosphere within the chamber. We can guarantee there's no hydrocarbons, for instance. That's a big one. The biggest benefit of going through the processes of leak detection or RGA analysis, bakeout, is just, I guess, the peace of mind that comes with knowing the product you're receiving is guaranteed not to have any leaks, not to have any contaminants, whatever level of testing you want done. You know that even if it's the smallest element we got, helium or hydrogen if you want, it's not getting into your chamber. So any gas that's bigger than that isn't getting in there either. Just lets you know that you have a quality product that you're going to receive. We've done work in the past with national labs, and they really appreciate the level of detail we go into as far as leak detection, residual gas analysis scans that we will give back to them. We can go into rate of rise tests, send them graphs, whatever they need. That is one thing that we've definitely gotten feedback on, is they like the level of detail we can go into to assure them that these products are everything they want and need them to be. If you have any more questions on our leak detection practices or what we do as a company, feel free to visit our website at gnbvac.com.